everyone. I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And if you like my videos, if you could just hit the like, share, and subscribe button below. I would appreciate it big time. Thank you. You can also go to my website, which is chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And there you can shop or you can join and become a designer like me. You could either be a hobbyist and enjoy the 40% discount, awesome, or you can start your own business. So today I'm going to work on this picture of Happiness is Homemade, which I absolutely love that. I agree with it 100%. I did see the idea before, but I think it's pretty cool. What we're going to do is have this jar and have some flowers. But the flowers are going to have magnets on it, since this is a magnetic board. And then we can change them up for different flowers for different season. So let's get started and see what happens. All right, to start out with, I'm using Ocean Mist chalk paste for the water in the jar. I thought it was a pretty close color for water. And then I'll let that dry. And while I'm drying that, I'm going to put Happiness is Homemade in Custard. Custard is one of our older colors. We have new colors now, and probably the newest one closest to this would be Fawn. And I'm using the big squeegee for this. It speeds the process up a little bit. And then slowly take it off. I don't want to have the paste stay on the transfer. Especially like I'm doing here, where you're layering chalk on top of a previous layer put down. So you're going to fuzz it a lot, which is putting it on a towel or your t-shirt to get some of the stickiness off, and then slowly peel it off. Now I put the outline of the canning jar on here. That's going to be my jar for my flowers. And I showed you there where there's magnets on the back of there. And now I'm trying to figure out how I want to put those flowers on there. I'm sure I'll keep changing them every time I go by, probably. So those are the colors for fall. And you could change it up for Christmas, put some poinsettias in there. The spring, a bunch of different flowers. It's kind of fun. There's a finished project hanging up. Well, this was a fun project. Thanks for stopping by. Come back. Bye.